So we will be seeing how to do LeetCode 217 as if you were a cowgirl rounding up animals to see if there are any duplicates. First thing we do is create a hash set, and this is where the different animals will be brought once they're caught. So we see an array of different animals, beautiful cat and a goat, billy goat. And the job of this cowgirl is to head off into the Wild West, search out these animals and bring them back. If she should happen to find two of the same animal, she comes back to the corral, she raises the flag, true, meaning it is true that there are duplicates in this set. So let us watch as we call this function and watch the cowgirl do her job. First, again, we create the hash set represented here by the big circle, and we have seen that she has brought a big cow into the hash set corral. The next animal to go in this case, is a donkey. She looks, no duplicates, and continues her job, continues the function. Off again into the wild, looking for new animals, new numbers, bringing them in to the hash set of unique animals. So the code for this function, for this job of the cowgirl, is found in the comments below. It's just a way of illustrating how this little bit of programming can be thought of as a physical job. Here we see the donkey coming in. There's already a donkey there, and the flag goes up. True. It is true that there are duplicates in this set. The function or the program ends here, and the answer has arrived. Otherwise, she continues working until all the animals in the wild are caught. And if there are no duplicates, the flag false goes up. That concludes her job and our little movie. So if you'd like more information, just click on the links below. The code is outlined here. It can be written in several ways. We've done it more of the standard way with standard code, and also exchanging code for different animal words to make this understandable. The animal code actually will run as well. So give it a shot. Confirm duplicates.